Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping precisely. Assemble the workspace and verify parts so you avoid backtracking. Once done, mount the lower rail to the frame and secure 2 brackets loosely so you can adjust. Make sure the panel orientation matches the label. Align studs to slots and hand thread screws. You will torque them later. Also check the 24V supply is ready but still disconnected. This prevents accidental shorts. After those first mounts, confirm parts list and move to wiring. You now handle wiring and alignment with care. Follow color codes and use crimped terminals to prevent loosening. Once connected, route cables through grommets and secure them with ties every 30 cm to avoid strain. Make sure the controller gets a static IP and update firmware to v1.2.0 before enabling auto-calibration. Then run the calibration routine so sensors align mechanically and virtually. This reduces drift. If readings look off, repeat calibration. You finish by tightening fasteners to spec and rechecking alignment. Small shifts now create big errors later. Once tightened, reconnect power and run a full system test cycle while logging errors and watching temperatures within a 2-degree range. Make sure response times meet the spec. If something fails, stop and isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: if behavior is erratic, pull the inline fuse and reseat every connector. Then try a firmware rollback to the last stable build. This resolves most configuration faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.